Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super helpful workaround for exporting large datasets from Power BI, even when you run into that frustrating data exceeds the limit message. If you've ever tried to export a big table from your Power BI report and hit that brick wall, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your full dataset out step by step. Alright, let's dive straight in. So you're working in Power BI, maybe analyzing a big report and you've got your data right in front of you. You try to export it the usual way. You click those three little dots, the More Options menu, next to your visual or table, and then you choose Export. But suddenly, Power BI pops up with a message saying the data exceeds the export limit. That can be incredibly annoying, especially if you need all your data for further analysis in Excel or want to share the raw information with a colleague. Here, where the magic happens. Instead of exporting directly and running into that wall, the secret is to use Power BI's publishing feature. First, look for the Publish button usually found at the top of your workspace. Give that a click. Now it's going to ask you to name your report. Pick a clear descriptive name, something that makes it easy to spot later, especially if you're juggling multiple reports. Then just save it. Next, it will prompt you to choose a destination workspace. Most people will just use My Workspace, especially if this is for personal use or testing, so go ahead and select that option. Once you've confirmed your selection and hit Publish, you'll notice that Power BI starts uploading your report. Depending on your internet speed and how large your report is, this may take a few moments. Don't worry if you see it spinning for a bit, that's completely normal. Once the Publish process is finished, Power BI will provide you with a direct link to your published report. Click on this link and you'll see your report open up, this time in the published environment. It'll look nearly identical to what you had before, but this environment allows us to bypass some of those export limitations. Now find your table or visual just like before, and once again, click the three-dot menu. This menu might be a little tucked away, so if you don't spot it right away, take your time and hover your mouse over the different parts of your visual. When you see the three dots, click them and then select Export Data from the menu. Here's an important detail. When you're given export options, make sure to pick Data with Current Layout. This option ensures that the exported file closely matches what you're seeing on your screen, preserving all your columns and the layout you've worked hard to prepare. Then hit Export. Power BI will now process your request and download the file to your computer. Give it a moment, especially if the file is large. Sometimes it can take a little while to package up and start the download. But once it's done, check your Downloads folder, and you'll find your exported data ready to use without those pesky row limits. And that's it. Just follow these steps anytime you run into export limits in Power BI, and you'll have full access to your large datasets. If you found this workaround helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.